actually not too bad. Roughly 22. So that means that backside of that thing will weld onto here, from here and go down. So we have to cut this weld off here to separate this, and then we can graft that one onto it.
Holding it on. Tie this. I'm going to grind that smooth. I'm going to tie this into that, so that way it caps the frame. Since it's already bottom support, it'll tie the frame structures together. We don't have to fill that big ass gap right there. But at the same point in time, I have to mark it out to where I can take this and wrap it to right here. I just want to be able to wrap it around there. So I'm going to be notching out part of this, wrapping it to that, so that way it kind of covers the frame. It's not going to keep from shit getting in there, but we would rather it drain if it comes in here, because it's going to come in the bottom. We'd rather it just drain out the bottom. You don't want to tap it, otherwise it's going to have more rock. About the perfect driveline angle.
For what? Yeah.
For this rear end, it's got at least a 2 to 4 degree angle in the drive shaft, which is your minimum is 2 degrees. So even at full compression,
you're going to the bottom of the frame is what you're saying.
I'm looking at the overall driveline angle. So, well, what we have here is we got a 5-liter Coyote. We got a TKX Tremec from Silver Sport Transmissions. Quick time bell housing. And we've got it now, a Crown Vic frame here mounted to the Trino frame. But we've got an issue with this shifter location. Not going in that said shifter hole up there. So, we've confirmed now with Tremec that we can flip this shift plate around 180 degrees so this shifter sits right where it's supposed to perfectly mate with the Gran Torino transmission tone. Do you have the wrench? We're going to keep this warning tag here. with the transmission, so that way we don't forget. Because all it takes is one person to not remember. We got a cash transmission because it's got no fluid in it.
Oh, nice.
See? Shifter ball location number 2.
That's sick.
So now, we get it in there.
That's what's up to make it nice and easy.
And you can read the word Tremec better now.
I like that better. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I like that a lot better.
Yeah. So those of you that didn't know that you can move your shifter location in your Tremec transmission, now you know.
You're welcome.
The more you know.
Oh, look at that. If that don't just sit perfect down there, I don't know what does. It's beautiful. And that engine sits just absolutely perfect. Enough room to get to all my sensors back here. Look at that. Everything clears. Room for everything. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. New frame. Engine sits absolutely perfect in there. Transmission's nice. I love it. Absolutely love it. You know, when you said massage, I wasn't thinking Swedish massage.
Listen, this is a custom automobile, and we don't need much clearance. And somebody already cut a big on the bottom of this car that was not factory. So if anything, I'm strengthening your floor pan by putting speed dents in it.